Hi, I'm Simon, and welcome to another edition of Tech Tuesday. Our customers sometimes find themselves in off-seasons where they may not use their equipment, and thus their lithium battery, for extended periods of time. Whether your off-season is spring or summer, it is important to understand how to properly store your LiFePO4 battery. The good news is storing lithium batteries is simple and risk-free. There are zero challenges when it comes to prepping your lithium battery for off-season storage. Simply charge your battery to 14.4 volts, disconnect the battery from your charger and your equipment, then store in temperatures anywhere between 23 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're storing your battery for only 3 to 6 months, then it's safe to store at a 50% state of charge. Unlike lead-acid batteries, a partial state of charge does not harm lithium batteries. Lead-acid batteries require more extensive preparation, as their performance relies heavily on proper and consistent maintenance. Corrosion and acid residue must be cleaned off and water levels topped off with lead acid. Plus, a full state of charge is necessary to prevent any damage, and if they're stored below 32 degrees Fahrenheit without being fully charged, they may sulfate, freeze, or possibly crack. On the flip side, if they are stowed above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, they will self-discharge and need periodic boost charging. Otherwise, they will sulfate, resulting in reduced capacity and life. As you can see, lithium batteries provide simple and easy solutions for both on and off-season use. That's it for this week's Tech Tuesday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.